Hey teachers, wanted to let you know about a new tool we have available called Co-Writer. So on your student's iPad, go ahead and jump into the self-service app and download Co-Writer. It's a little purple app with a little thought bubble on it. So, all right teachers, let's go ahead and open the Co-Writer app for the student. If this is the first time you've used it, you'll be prompted to sign in. I'm going to hit new. And as I type, I'm prompted with words. And then as I tap the word to add it, it's read out aloud to me. So that'll help me catch mistakes.
Was a great day. This was a great day.
When I add punctuation at the end, it'll read the entire sentence back to me. So this is a great way, again, to check for errors. So here's what I need you to do after your students install it and sign in. Go into Settings, tap on General, tap on Keyboard, and then we want to add a new keyboard. Here's where we're going to add Co-Writer as the keyboard for all of our apps. So tap Co-Writer Universal, and then tap it again, and then move the slider so it has full access to everything. To turn on the Co-Writer keyboard, hold down the little globe at the bottom to access all your keyboards, and then select the Co-Writer Universal Keyboard. To get back to normal, all you're going to do is hold down on the little dictionary books at the bottom, select the globe, and then select your regular English keyboard to get back. So once your students are in Google Docs, they're going to hold down the globe in the bottom left, select the Co-Writer keyboard, and now they can use Co-Writer inside of any app on their iPad.
This was a great. This was a great day.
So they have all the functionality of Co-Writer, all the predictive text and everything else built in there with it, but now it functions in all the apps on their iPad. All right, teachers, so here's a quick overview of your view of Co-Writer. So go ahead over to cowriter.com and sign in with your Banks County email. From there, you can click on View Reports. You can add your Google Classrooms here. We can pull all those in for you. So if we want to break it down that way, you can look at classes or you can see individual students. On the left side is going to be your list of students, and then down the middle is going to be just the stats of how they're using Co-Writer. So let's go ahead and click on More Information underneath Transition. And now we have an explanation of what is considered a transition word or an important word inside of Co-Writer, and also the words used by that student in Co-Writer. So we can hop back into our quick view here, and then you have three options to download as a CSV, or to download as a PDF, or of course to print it. So I opt for the cloud in the middle. PDF's a little easier to work with. You can always print it later if you need it. It's just an easy file to get and to manage. So when you download the PDF version, here's what it looks like with the student name at the top. And then you'll be able to see some more stats of how many words they've used out of how many. So 5 of 570 academic words have been used by the student. The student spent 10 hours and has written almost 4,000 words with Co-Writer.